everybody. Good morning. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a better trading week. So I added this because I don't know, maybe it's the thing that I'm missing in my trading. LOL. But it's just, the PO3, I actually think I'm no, it's good. Um, this is a crazy wick on the hourly. What the hourly looks like? Yeah, it's just kind of zoomed in more. So anyway, let's mark out our session highs. Oh wait, do we have news today? What's today? The 11th? Yeah, we had PPI. Then we have 10 o'clock news. What did PPI do? Is that 8:30 right here? No, it's 8:35. That's 8:30. So, 47 coins. He seems to actually be. Never mind. Eh. Seems like the volatility's down, but probably shouldn't today. Today's Friday. Volatility might be pretty high. Anyway, just marking an Asian high. This is what I do even before I decide to bias. Just mark out the sessions. We actually didn't even hit any of them. So we have these. Work it out on yes as well. Is this the low? Let's see one more. There's a low. Um. So yeah, this is those are the sessions, and then now I can go to the daily, and I actually already have it marked. I have previous day high, previous day low, and then I think I filled this too. Previous day high, previous day low. So feeling a little bit more on the 4 hour. The lows that I marked are pretty good. We could also mark out this as a low on buy side because that looks like a little 4 hour. It's not on NQ, but we'll mark it out. Actually, it's like pretty fucking messy. Um, you do have, which you guys can't see it, fresh. We so we'll mark it out because we disrespected this bullish one and I respected this out. We don't have any daily fair value gaps. We don't have any, I mean, we are in a bullish 4 hour. So, I mean, my buy is honestly 50-50. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we're taking out these session areas because I mean, hourly, right? Um, lower high, higher high, higher high. So, I mean, we're kind of moving up now, but I don't really want it long. Unless telling me that we, but like, look, we have this 15 minute, which we're respecting. I don't know, it's pretty sideways, so I'm honestly 50. We're gonna see what Chris does. I'm probably gonna wait until 10 o'clock to place a trade because of, the we'll see. Where's my tip? So I'm probably gonna see you guys then. There's not much to say. Um, I will be trading. What I do? What is it? Is this like 30? Yeah. I did get a combine on the new dashboard. What, am I leaving anything? So yeah, I'm gonna place a trade on these, and I'm only gonna do like 1 to 3 micros because I only want to risk like at most maybe like 200 bucks at most. Which let's see, this is practice. So let's just say that I want to short this. Well, realistically, I wouldn't do this. Like if we come up here, my stop is there. That's 27. It actually seems to be kind of like calming now a little bit, but that's still 30 points. So that's sick. That's 180 bucks if I do 30 points, which I'll take that. And then I'll compare it maybe. What is this? This is 46 points. That's almost 50. 270 bucks. Like I'm gonna, because my problem with trading is that I'm trying to go for home runs. I'm trying to go for fucking huge trades that have like no risk and huge, potential for profits. I need to stop that shit. So, yeah, like, so I kind of want to see if we trade up. And this is on practice. So say I do 3 and I'm short, right? Practice making sure.
Order filled.
Yeah, right. Bam, bam, bam. And I would risk, realistically, I wouldn't risk these highs. I would probably risk like something like that. That is 100 bucks, right? So I only have like a grand, I think, of drawdown. But yet your target here is that's 235. I wouldn't take everything off there. Maybe you could leave some down here. The point of what I'm saying is, take one off there and let this kind of go. Because the market moving 144 points is not crazy, you know? And like maybe you could go uh, break even here and then sell so buy. Limit buy for 1 at this break even point. Like this is how I'm gonna be trading. Like this is already 20 points. Like in normal conditions, I probably might. If this was an express account, I probably wouldn't go break even yet. But like what I'm trying to say is like I'm gonna enter with like 1 to 3 micros because I don't want my stop being anything more. Like at most, I'm thinking for 1 trade maybe like 200. So a 200 point or $200 stop with 3 cons is 33. So if my stop's like more than 30 points, I would probably be trading with 2. Just trade like that because the reason why I'm not taking trades when I want to is because like, oh, say just hypothetically I want to take this trade and I'm taking it with, let's just say 5 micros and my stop is up here. 35 points with 5 is a lot. It's like 400 or 500. It's actually 350. That's not, but what I'm saying is I'm going for home runs and shit when I need to be going for base hits. Now, on my trading combine, we're obviously not going to trade with 3 micros. I'll probably do, I don't know. Because I'll go for the max win. Yeah, it is 1,500 bucks. So I might trade with, it depends on the stock, but like maybe 5, 6, 7, stuff like that. I don't have to pass it in 2 days, but like if I went break even, I would have been stuck out. There's actually a limit gap that I don't know why I'm treating it like a trade. But we inversed his 5 minute, which is nice. So I still like this trade. That's why I didn't go break even. Still, I don't like how we're kind of rounding this. You see that? But it's also a 3 minute, and my stop's at the 3 minute. Stop it. My stop would be up here. It's a little bit above that high. We'll see how this goes. Um, I'm gonna see you guys later. So my bias is honestly 50-50. Like we'll take,
Order filled.
like we'll. Oh, I hit my stop there. And I lost what, $100. Um. Anyway, my bias is honestly 50-50. Like I want to see price take out a session high and then see how we react. You know, because I mean, if you look on the 15 minute, we're in a range. So we probably honestly shouldn't even trade today. And I honestly might not. Like I'll take a trade on a combine, but I'm gonna have to see something I like on the Express account. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna have to cut this shit down. This is too long. But I'm gonna see you guys when I see a trade that I like. Recap. I'm not gonna come on, this is gonna take like 2 seconds. I haven't taken a trade yet. I was thinking about longs, but I was like, it was 15 minutes, but I was like, I don't really like it, you know? We were bouncing between fair values. Like, we had this 1 hour one, tapped into a lot, right? So I think we are gonna go lower. But so I'm looking for shorts. I was like, oh, let's look for the short. I also 3 and the 2 minute. And it traded up in it, but it never really gave me a bearish reaction too short out of it. So I was like, I don't like it. Um, like all your stop losses, guys, are like 100 points. But I mean, we're just going up and down, so I'm not gonna trade the express accounts right now. I don't mind trading the combines. Uh, but like it would have to be on some, nice price action. Right now, I don't see that. I want to see how this 15 minute candle closes, and then we'll go from there. But 4 hour closed. Guys can't really see it. The 4 hour closed. This is like your swing high. This is like kind of like equal highs up here. Oh, we have an S&T. I didn't even notice that until right now. An S&T, man. It's a little one. Not really that like a valid area. Yeah, it's a 4 hour. I don't know. Anyway, S&T. I mean, but just look, it's moving sideways, so I'm chilling. Um, and it's 10:13, so news has been out and shit, but we haven't really done shit. Longs here wasn't bad, but I wasn't really looking at price. I mean, I was, but it was so early. I was like, whatever. But your stop loss, guys, is like, what do you think about the volume? It's 60 points. I mean, hey, you're taking profit, 140, or maybe like scale some. That's only scale some like somewhere here, right? Maybe at the hourly for value, and then it stops at like even, but actually didn't get stuck up here. One higher. Right, so I haven't done shit. It's 15 minutes. Uh, I'm gonna see you guys when I take a trade, if I take a trade. Um, anyway, I took a trade on my combine and I lost, as you can see. We hit break even. Yeah, we hit break even, but I didn't move my stop to break even. Um, So yeah. Went in with 10 here as well. Might have sized a little heavy, but once we got this break even point and we are gonna stop a little bit above this high, because I was like, we didn't hit my break even point, and I mean it is like about 40 points, 50 points. So um so, yeah. And I could have scaled some because I was up about almost a grand, I think. But I was pretty confident we were gonna at least maybe tap this 1 hour. So I had my TP set a little bit below there to take some off, and then or we seem to just kind of be reversing. So what are you gonna do? I don't like anything to take my Express account. I honestly might not even trade it today, just because I don't like I might do one micro, but at that point, like trade it within a little 5 minute. Look for lower. I don't know. I don't like price, so and I have a rule here. What does it say? I have a lot here. Let's see. Need to be more patient. Stop thinking about money. If market moving sideways or bad, don't trade. No trade is better than a losing trade. Don't like price, don't trade. And then I put areas of accumulation and or order blocks. I like price a lot. So like areas of accumulation, like right here, bam. Uh, I mean this whole thing is like accumulation. Accumulation, tapped it lower. Accumulation, tapped it lower. So I have that rule, but I didn't really care about trading. If they're scheduled 500 bucks here and there, get like maybe 1 to 3, which might be a little crazy. Or no, it wouldn't even be that much. If I do 10 cups. Whatever I'm saying is, so I took a trade on a combine. I'm not gonna trade the combine anymore. I'll keep it at $500 loss. And if I'm trading my express account, I might honestly do too. I should have went break even when it did, but I was like, we had this, this inverse still. We had like this, not really an OB, but I don't know. Like I could keep it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not seeing anything that I like anymore. If I don't see anything, I won't trade. Because it is 10:30, the little here. So I might just look in the if I see something. Don't hear from me, and I'll come back. But I'll see you guys later.